Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to print an image on 4 sheets in Word. To start, open Word. After this, in the Insert menu, click on Pictures and then this device. Select the image to use and click Insert. After that, click on the Layout menu, then in Orientation, select Landscape. Now with the image selected, click on Wrap Text and choose the option in front of text. Now adjust the image as necessary. After this, click on Page Setup. In the Paper tab, it is possible to select the size to use. Click OK. Finally, adjust the image as appropriate. After that, click on File and click Print. Here, click on Printer Properties, if the printer is connected. Then in the Multi-Page field, select the type of poster to use, in this case 2x2. Activate the Print Preview box. Click OK. Finally, when you click Print, you can see the image on the 4 sheets in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.